Today, we're talking about something that China does incredibly well. Shopping. China has become one of the most advanced places in the world for retail. From huge shopping malls to smart stores, mobile payments, and completely digital experiences. So today, we're going to take a closer look at what shopping is like in China and why it's become such a unique and awesome experience for not just local Chinese people, but also foreigners.
Welcome to China's artificial intelligence town. Right here in this town, so many artificial intelligence companies are operating, like BrainCo.
We're going to be exploring all over Hangzhou today, looking at AI, innovation, engineering, and even a furniture company called Kuka Homes, which has a lot of technology in their furniture. We'll be seeing that a little bit later, but right here is the center of where the company, the very famous company, BrainCo, is operated. So in this building just over here is behind those walls, they are working on prosthetics and rehabilitation for stroke patients. They're doing a lot of really cool things. This is going to be one of many different spots today that we go to around Hangzhou, and yeah, let's learn a little bit more about BrainCo. BrainCo is doing something completely different. No surgery, no implants, everything is non-invasive. Meaning you can literally wear it and it reads your brain signals, which is kind of crazy to think about. BrainCo actually started out of Harvard back in 2015. Now it's grown into a massive company here in China and one of the biggest players in brain-computer interface technology globally. They have raised over $300 million. They're already solving real-world problems today. They've already created prosthetic hands that people can control using their brain. I'm not just talking about basic movement, I'm talking about literally playing a piano with it. Full control, full precision. It doesn't feel like tech anymore, it feels like human. And it's not just that, they're also working with kids, helping improve focus, helping with ADHD, helping people sleep better, all with wearable tech that tracks brain activity. Okay, so that was BrainCo. Now let's move on to the next one, which I'm sure you guys will definitely know, as it was recently in the media for some good things. Are you excited?
I am super duper excited.
Let's go. By the way guys, our taxi driver is so nice. He just messaged me and goes, "Hello, I'm rushing over. Please wait in a warm place." Aww.
My warm place.
Is this your warm place?
Yeah.
So this building here behind me has got the internet hyped, and I'm sure you've probably seen the same video I have. At the Chinese New Year Spring Gala Festival, they had the Uni Tree robots perform, and they really did surprise the internet. This is what they look like in 2025, and this is what they look like 1 year later in 2026.
First thing you notice about the robots is how smooth everything is. The way they walk, the way they interact, the way they balance. It doesn't feel clunky or slow that you expect from other robots. It feels natural, almost too natural. And yeah, it's kind of cool, but slightly scary at the same time.
Okay, so yeah, there you go. Super cool to see what goes on inside that building, and the stuff that they're developing is absolutely cutting edge. Now on to the next thing. Okay, where are we now?
Olympic Sports Center.
Look at that building behind you. 2 buildings joined together. Oh my gosh. And then just here, guys, is a massive lotus leaf stadium behind those trees. And that is where Kuka Homes event is, and we've actually been invited there. So we just wanted to sort of show you guys on the tail end of this video what furniture and technology is in furniture these days, and Cooker Homes is one of the leading companies in smart furniture. I'm talking about smart lounges, smart beds, smart recliner chairs. We're going to see all of that and sort of check it out, see what tech and AI is in these things.
Guys, this is the kind of sofa you want to come home into. It's so simple, elegant, yet very smart.
Very smart, right?
Yeah.
So you have all of the functions here. You can go back, you can come forward, you can get a massage. There's a sleep mode, a study mode.
It's like you're sitting on the clouds.
It really is.
Yeah.
When I first sat on it, right, before the camera was turned on, guys, my face went like this. Ooh. Because I felt like we were sitting on the cloud. Oh, I could get used to this, but the problem is that we don't have one. So we might get too used to it, and then when we go home to our boring sofa, it won't be as fun.
I think this is it. This is my dream sofa.
Yeah, definitely recommend everyone to get a sofa like this. It's absolutely amazing.
So this right here is the Hertz S9 Smart Sofa, and this is where things start to feel seriously premium. This isn't just about sitting, it's built around full body support. The standout feature is the zero gravity mode, which lifts your legs and reclines your back to reduce pressure on your spine and help improve circulation. You've also got a full multi-point massage system using air pressure and rolling massage across your back, waist and legs. So it feels like you're getting a real massage, not just a vibration. There's built-in lumbar heating as well, which helps you relax your muscles after a long day. The sofa also uses adaptive support, meaning different sections adjust to your body, so you're properly supported instead of just sinking in. The seat is deep, breathable, and designed for long periods of comfort, and everything is controlled with one touch, so you can just switch positions and modes instantly. It's basically a full recovery setup built into a sofa.
You know what's most important?
What's that?
That it should be easy to clean.
Yeah.
Right? And I'm a clean freak, and I know this is definitely the easiest to clean.
Yeah, you just get a few wipes and you can wipe it down super easy.
Yeah.
That's true, right? The upholstery is just so nice. Like, look at the detail on this, guys. Absolutely lovely, lovely
The
leather.
quality is so sturdy.
Really
it's
sturdy.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Now's the time to test this beautiful mattress that feels like ocean, like you're on top of the ocean. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
It's literally called the M8 Wise Wave.
Oh, it is.
Do you feel like you're on a wave?
I do.
Really?
Yeah, this is so relaxing.
And this right here is the Lunar Aura M8 Plus Smart Mattress, which is designed to work perfectly with the smart bed. The key feature is its zoned support system, meaning different areas of the mattress support different parts of your body properly, keeping your spine aligned while you sleep. It also has strong pressure relief, so you don't get sore from laying in the one position too long. The materials are breathable and temperature regulating, so you're able to stay cool during the night instead of overheating. Another big feature is motion isolation, so if someone moves next to you, you can barely feel it. On top of that, it can track your sleep, monitoring your movement, overall sleep quality, and then giving you feedback to help you improve your rest. It's not just about comfort, it's actually sleeping better.
This mode right here is called TV mode. So the mattress has folded up so that you can watch TV comfortably. You don't need to stack up heaps of pillows,
Yeah.
and be uncomfortable and trying to adjust your head. This is great.
Okay, so next up behind me we have the Celestial Dream upholstery bed. Now this thing is absolute game changer for relieving pressure for your neck, your back, your waist, and it gives you full comfort and support. So let's try this out. So when I'm sitting up here in bed, I can simply press this button and this will open it. And oh my gosh, wow.
How do you feel?
I feel like I'm on a cloud.
Wow.
This is just amazing. So it's also giving me a little massage as well, which is really cool. And then that's turning it off. Okay, I want it back on. You can see down here we have the buttons. And guys, this leather is really good. The upholstery is really nice upholstery. Everything's made really good quality. Gosh, I could get used to this lovely leather bed. And the massage is just, absolutely divine. So this is the adjustable smart bed, and this is where things really start to change how you rest and sleep. You can independently adjust the head sections. So whether you're sleeping, watching TV, or just relaxing, you can find that perfect position. It also includes zero gravity mode, which helps take the pressure off your back and improves circulation. There's a built-in massage system across different zones of the bed to help you relax your body before sleep. You've also got memory presets so that you can save your favorite positions and switch instantly. The whole system runs smoothly and quietly, so it doesn't disturb while you're adjusting. It's designed to improve your body's rest. Okay, this is the Azure Cloud Smart Recliner. And when I say recliner, I mean the most comfortable chair I've ever sat in. I'll give you guys a side version here. So as you can see, we have buttons, fully electronic, so you can adjust it to, the height of your TV or where you want to go. If you want to actually sleep, then you can come all the way back like this, and just like that, you could have a little afternoon nap. So amazing. This is the Azure Cloud Smart Recliner, and this one's design is more compact but still packed with many features. The key thing here is the wall hugging design, so even when fully reclined, it barely needs space behind it, making it perfect for smaller rooms. It uses a smooth electric reclining system, so you can adjust it exactly how you want instead of fixed positions. The cushioning is made with high density materials and built-in lumbar support, so it's comfortable even over long periods. The materials are breathable, so you don't overheat. And overall, it's just super easy to use day to day. It's a personal comfort chair that fits pretty much anywhere. Okay, so yeah, those furnitures are absolutely amazing. So much technology. What we're gonna do now, we're going to go and have a little rest. Come back at 6 o'clock. We actually got exclusive access here, guys, before the event even started to film everything. So we'll come back at 6 and we'll see everyone trying out these furnitures and all of these products. It's absolutely awesome. So we'll see you guys back at 6 o'clock.